Okay, so I thought I would quickly talk about the material for the few items that I'm selling. So, this is made from linen, cotton, and viscose. I believe that's how you pronounce it. But there's no stretch. There's no stretch to the material. This is looking, and it has a side zip. The lighting keeps on going bright. It has a side zip. There's it has a side zip. There's no stretch to the material. And it is short. Okay, now this is made from nylon. It's made from nylon. It is nylon and I think probably cotton. Nylon and cotton. It has some amount of stretch here, right? So it is definitely, it says small, but it fits like a medium. Okay, now this is made from nylon spandex. It says medium, but it fits like a medium. It fits like a medium, and if you're small, you could get away with it if you have big boobs. It has stretch. It has stretch. And this is a top that I'm selling.